Okay friends, I ordered this cover from Amazon and I can see here today is January 13 and it is delivered yesterday. So I'm going to unlock and unpack or opening this cover. You can see here this is the product. I will give you the link in this side. Okay, you can see it and you can purchase it. Okay, this is my OnePlus 70. You can see here I'm using a local cover and it is broken. You can see here it is broken, so I purchased a new one. Okay, this is the package from Amazon. You can see here is the details. Okay, it is only 195 rupees and I ordered some other equipments, so there is no delivery charges. 40 rupees is minus, so we are just unboxing it from here. Okay, you can see here there is my bill. Okay, and this is the cover. It's a normal cover. Okay, I'm just unboxing this, and yeah, it is super. And you can see here this protection for camera. This also have some protection, but you can see the difference is here. Okay, and just unboxing, you can see here my back side is broken. Okay, just put it. Yeah, okay, it is fitted, and power button, you can see volume buttons, and there is all buttons is here. Everything is good and comfort, and you can see better. So that's guys. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.